In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your idler pulley on your Ford Taurus. It's located under the hood on the passenger side. I'm using a 15mm wrench to loosen my tensioner. You're going to slide it towards the front of the car, and then you're going to take your belt off the idler pulley. Once you've accomplished that, you're going to let it go back. Be careful of your fingers. All right. So now I'm just going to push this down and get it out of our way, because we're not taking the belt completely off if we don't need to. It's a good time to inspect your belt, make sure it looks good. All right, I'm using a 15mm ratchet wrench, and I'm gonna loosen up our bolt for our idler pulley. All right, so just take it all with you when you take it out, bolt and all. All right, so we're going to transfer our washer. It's kind of a threaded washer onto our new one. It goes on the back side of it. And then we're going to flip this over and pull out this and the other washer. You're going to thread the bolt into the washer because it has these little teeth on it. Before you put it back in the car, you want to make sure everything's seated in there right. Okay, so it spins on it. And we've checked that out, so we're going to put it back on. All right, now that we have our bolt and hardware transferred over, we can place it inside where the bolt goes. You're going to want to tighten that hand tight at first. All right, now that you have that hand tight, you can tighten it with your wrench, whatever you can get in there. There's no specific torque spec for this idler pulley, so just hand tighten and then snug it down a quarter of a turn after you've tightened it. I'm using my own belt diagram that I've created for myself to reinstall our belt. All right, I'm getting my 15mm wrench on there. You can either put a pole or another wrench if you need to. Once you get your tensioner pulled back, you can slide it on that alternator. And then on your idler pulley, make sure everything's on. And let go. All right, so now you're going to start your vehicle. Make sure everything's running good and sounds good. Make sure the belt isn't squeaking. Everything sounds good, then you can take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.